Alright, what's up there, YouTubers? It's your girl Shay Skyler, and I'm going to be having another YouTube video going today. I didn't even know what I was about to say, but whatever. Don't focus on that. Anywho, I just took my hair out my braids, y'all. I know I just did the braids, but that's how I am with braids, whatever. So I'm going to be doing wand curls to my natural hair. I am going to just give y'all a little something video on how I do this. I haven't done wand curls on my hair in a very long time. The first thing I'm gonna do is just blow it out just a little bit more. I did do a pre-blowout before I did my braids, but this is how my hair looks when I took it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use my heat protector, which also acts as a hair polisher. This will run you like $7.99 at your beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. See, the edges still fleet. Pull my hair up. Alright, and I'm using my favorite blow dryer, which is the Bird Pro. Okay, and I'll put the link to this. I got it from Amazon. And I'm just going to begin to blow dry. Alright guys, so this is what we have after I've gone ahead and blown out my hair. My clip broke. We need to use another clip, a bigger one. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and section the hair off to start wanding. Heat protectant to wand. Just going to wand it. We're going for a couple of seconds and take it down. And this is how the curl looks.